Have you ever been watching a football game, seen a player make an incredible run, and then wondered exactly how those yards get added to their statistics? It can seem like a simple concept, but there are some important distinctions. Yes, rushing and receiving yards are indeed counted differently in football, and understanding these differences is key to appreciating a player's overall performance. While both measure how far a player advances the ball, the manner in which they gain possession dictates how those yards are categorized. The fundamental difference lies in how the player initially controls the football. Rushing yards are accumulated when a player, typically a running back or quarterback, advances the ball after taking a handoff from the quarterback or recovering a fumble, or after a broken play where they decide to run with the ball from the line of scrimmage. This means they are responsible for creating their own yardage, primarily through their physical running ability. On the other hand, receiving yards are gained when a player catches a forward pass from the quarterback and then advances the ball. The initial gain comes from the successful pass, and any additional yards are attributed to the receiver's skill after the catch. To easily identify which type of yards you are seeing, consider the play's origin. If the ball was handed off directly from the quarterback behind the line of scrimmage, or if the quarterback ran with it without throwing, those are rushing yards. If the player caught a pass thrown forward by the quarterback, no matter how short the pass, any yards gained from that point are receiving yards. This distinction helps you understand the different skill sets at play. A fascinating aspect is how a player might switch categories within a single play. For instance, if a player catches a lateral pass, which is a backward or sideways throw, and then runs with it, those yards are actually counted as rushing yards. Also, if a quarterback scrambles and runs past the line of scrimmage, those are rushing yards, but if they throw a pass, the receiver's yards are counted as receiving. This nuance highlights the dynamic nature of offensive statistics. So, by recognizing whether a player gained possession through a handoff or a forward pass, you can quickly determine if those valuable yards are contributing to their rushing or receiving totals. This insight helps you better appreciate the distinct contributions players make to their team's offense, giving you a clearer picture of their role and effectiveness on the field.